Are you seeing the iPhone black screen of death? It happens when you least expect it. Your phone is working and you still hear notifications, but no matter how many times you tap on the black screen, it remains unresponsive. Don't panic. We're going to show you a quick iPhone black screen of death fix. The black screen of death can happen because your phone is low on battery, there are software problems with an app that's running, or your phone has hardware issues and could be broken. Here's how to fix it. Start by charging your phone to make sure a low battery isn't to blame. And be sure the power cable is fully plugged in. If your battery is completely drained, it'll take a while before your phone shows the charging screen and powers on. If your screen is still pitch black, but you can hear notifications from texts or calls, it could be a software issue. Try a force restart by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the power button. You can release it when the Apple logo appears. This step can help troubleshoot software issues with your device. Does your phone screen freeze right after opening an app? The app could still be loading or there's a problem with it. The best solution is to close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Swipe to find the app you want to close, then swipe up to close it. On an older phone, double-click the home button and swipe on the apps you want to close. If the app continues to crash whenever you open it, try updating or reinstalling it to fix the issue. Lastly, check for any cracks or visible damage on your phone. If you've dropped your phone before, there could be internal hardware issues that are causing the malfunction. When this happens, contact an expert for help. Never try to repair the phone on your own. You could be doing more harm than good. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.